Okay, so for this lesson, you're going to learn, it's the basic stuff, and we're going to apply the quadratic equation, the quadratic formula, to this quadratic equation. So you have to know that this is your ax squared, this is your bx, and this is your c, right? So you're going to fill those in wherever they're needed. So it's going to be x is equal to negative, since it's just x, which means it's a variable, there's always a coefficient of 1 in front of it, plus or minus the square root of 1 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1, because your a is 1, and negative 5. And then that's all over 2 multiplied by 1. So now x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus the square root, 1 squared is 1, and then negative 4 multiplied by 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 multiplied by negative 5 is equal to 20. So you're going to have 1 plus 20 all over 2. X is equal to negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 21 over 2. Usually at this point you'd leave your answer like this, because when you square root the 21, you're losing a lot of numbers and it's not the actual value. So for this question, this would be your answer as applying the quadratic formula to x squared plus x minus 5. Okay, so this is another question. It's asking you to factor the function f of x, which is equal to 4x squared plus 8x minus 3 into vertex form, and then state the minimum value. In this example, I'll show you how to do it the shortcut way. So it'd be f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 8x minus 5. And we'd use the shortcut, which is x equals to negative b over 2a. So f of x is equal to, oh no, just x is equal to negative 8, which is your b, over 2, and your a is 4, right? So now you're going to have x is equal to negative 8 over 8, and that leaves you with x is equal to negative 1. And now what you're going to do is you're going to plug that into your equation here. So it's going to be f of x, actually it's going to be y, my apologies, y is equal to 4 negative 1 squared plus 8 negative 1 minus 5. Y is equal to 4 minus 8 minus 5, seeing as negative 1 squared, it doesn't really give you anything. And then y is equal to negative 9. So you're going to combine this number and this number, you're going to use both of them into making your equation, which would be f of x is equal to 4x plus 1 squared minus 9. You see the 9 and the 1, it was negative 1, but when you put it inside the equation, it becomes a positive 1. And your min value is going to be your negative 9, because that's where your min value is located. Because if you set this equation equal to 0, it's going to give you your max or your min, and in this case it's your min, and it's going to be equivalent to negative 9. And that's all for lesson 1.